Class 10 NCERT chapter 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variable, question number exercise 3.1 question number 3. On comparing ratio a by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. Here two equations are given. From two equations we are going to find the first ratio. After finding the ratio, we are going to check is it consistent or the inconsistent. First question, that is 3x plus 2y equal to 5 and that is 2x minus 3y equal to 7. We are going to check it, is it consistent or inconsistent. Exercise 3.1 question number 3. That is question number 3. Question number 3, Roman number 1. It's given 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Another is given 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Take the constant this side, it will give 3x plus 2y minus plus will become minus equal to 0. Do it as it same, x 2x minus 3y, bring the 7 this side, it will be minus 7 equal to 0. Now we are going to compare with the general equation, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, or that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now compare with the equation, a1 will be in front of x, so this and this will be equal, this and this will equal, this and this is equal. This is the value of a2 and this is the value of b2 and this is the value of c2. So a1 will be 3, b1 equal to 2 and c1 equal to minus 5. That is a2 equal to, that is 2, and next b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to minus 7. Now we are going to check it. For this a1 by a2, so we are going to check the ratio. So it will be a1 by a2 is equal to a1 how much? a1 is 3, a2 is how much? 2. We cannot cancel it, keep it here. Now check for the b1 by b2. b1 by b2, what is the value of b1? So there is 2. What is the value of b2? So minus 3. One is 2 by 3, another is 2 divided by minus 1 by 3, and these are not equal. So this is not equal, so a1 does not equal, a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. So it is whenever does not equal to, so this is intersection is a consistent. So it is consistent, it is consistent. So come to the second question, that is Roman number 2. Roman number 2, it is also given to simple form, that is 2x minus 3y equal to 8. Another is 4x minus 6y equal to 9. Bring the 8 this side, so it will 2x minus 3y minus this will be 8 equal to 0. This will be 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So now compare with the equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and this is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Compare this equation and this equation, and this equation and this equation, you will get the value of a1, a2, b1, p2 and c1, c2. Now what will the value of a1? a1 equal to this, so a1 equal to 2, and b1 will be minus 3 and c1 will be minus 8. Now for a2 will be 4, b2 will be minus 6 and c2 will be minus 9. Now for the ratio, that is a1 by a2 is equal to value of a1, so 2 divided by 4, we can cancel it, so it will be 1 by 2. Now come for the b1 by b2, value of b1, that is minus 3, value of b2, that is minus 6. Minus and minus cancel, this and this cancel, it will get 1 by 2. Again c1 and c2. So now come for the c1 by c2. c1 is how much? C1 is minus 8. c1 is minus 8. So minus 8, that is c1 by c2 equal to minus 8 divided by minus 9. Minus and minus cancel, so it will be 8 by 9. So now we got the condition, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. So this is a parallel. Condition for the parallel, it is a inconsistent. Here we don't get any solution, so it is a inconsistent. Whenever we don't get any solution, that will be inconsistent. It is inconsistent. Inconsistent. Next question, question number 3. So question number 3 is a little bit complicated, not that much. Whenever the question is not in the form of fraction, we have to remove the fraction. So question number 3, 1 2 3, Roman number 3. So the question is 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y equal to 7. Another is 9x minus 10 y equal to 14. So bring the 7 this side. So 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3 y minus 7 equal to 0. Here also bring the 14 this side. 9x minus 10y minus 14 equal to 0. Here we got the, this is easily, here is no a little bit complication. Try to remove this fractions. As soon as this is a fraction, this is also fraction, it's also fraction, it's not in a fraction, make it fraction. So divided by LCM. So LCM will be 6. So divide the 6 by 3, it will be 2. You divide the 6 by 2, it will be 3. 3 3s are 9x. Plus divide the 6 by 3, it will give 2. 2 into 5, 10y. Minus, if you divide 6 by 6, it will give 6. Multiply by 7, 42 equal to 0. Now take the 6 that side. 9x plus 10y minus 42 is equal to 0 into 6. Any number multiply by 0 will be 0. So this is 10y minus 42 equal to 0. We got it. Now compare with the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Compare this with a1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Since I have the space, so I am writing it here. A1, how much you got? A1 will be, so A1 equal to this one 9. So A1 is equal to 9. A2 is A1. B1 will be 10. This is the B1. So B1 is equal to 10. And C1 is 42. C1 is equal to 42 minus 42. Now come for the A2. So A2 is equal to 9. B2 is equal to minus 10. This is minus 10. And now C2 is equal to minus 14. Now we are going to find a ratio A1 by A2, that is 9 divided by 9. Cancel it, that is 1. So we got 1. B1 by B2. So B1 is how much? 10. B2 is how much? Minus 10. 10 cancel, so it will give minus 1. 1 is plus 1, 1 is minus 1. Both are unequal, so A1 divided by A2 does not equal to B1 divided by B2. So it is unique solution, so it is consistent. It is consistent. Consistent. SISTENT. Consistent. Now question number 3. After that, question number 3, question number 4. Question number 4. All the equations are given. That is 5x minus 3y equal to 11. Another one is minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. Bring 11 this side. So 5x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. So bring the minus 22 this side. It will be minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 equal to 0. So here we are going to compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. We are going to compare with the equation, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this will be a1 will be, therefore a1 is equal to 5, a1 is equal to 5, and b1 is equal to minus 3, and c1 is equal to minus 11. Now for this, a2 is equal to minus 10, b2 is equal to 6, and c2 is equal to 22. Now we need a ratio, that is a1 by a2 equal to 5 divided by minus 10. cancel it, it will give minus 1 by 2. Minus you can write it in the middle, in the down, or in the top, it will remain the same. Now b1 by b2, that is equal to b1 minus 3 and b2, that is 6. We can cancel it 2, so it will here also we got minus half. Now c1 by c2, c1 divided by c2, c1 is how much? Minus 11, c2 is 22, that's will cancelable, 11 2s are, so it will that also minus 1 by 2. So everywhere we got the a1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So this is a coincident, so it is a consistent. Whenever there is a solution, this will give infinite solution. Whenever there you will get a solution, that will be consistent. So it is consistent. Now for the last of this question, that is Roman number 5. Let's see, I think it's sufficient. 4 by 3 x plus, okay, I'll show you in another method. This is, you can solve it by the previous one, or you can use this method for solving the fraction. Here also I can take with the directly compare a1 by this is the first a1 x plus b1 y, sorry, bring it this side first. 4 by 3x plus 2y, it will be minus 8 equal to 0. This will be 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Compare with the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this will be a1 equal to how much? 4 by 3. b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to minus 8. Here a2 is equal, give the comma, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to minus 12. c2 is equal to minus 12. So now we need a1 by a2. So a1 divided by a2, that is equal to a1 how much? 4 divided by 3 divided by a2 how much? 2. As soon as you got this, now you can take the 3 directly, because in the down, this is in the down side of 4, so it will come automatically to the down of here. So it will be 4 divided by 3 into 2. 2 and cancel, so it will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Now second, b1 by b2, there is no problem, b1 by b2. b1 is how much? 2. b2 is how much? Minus 3. This and this, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, so it is not equal to a1 by a2. a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. So it is consistent. It is consistent. Consistent. Fraction can be done in the two ways. So it is a consistent.